Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You'll start by verifying prerequisites and taking immediate action. Install Jenkins LTS and the Git plugin, then add the Gitlab plugin. Make sure Git runs under the Jenkins account. Create a Gitlab personal access token with API and write repo scopes, and save it in Jenkins credentials. Once done, install Gitlab Runner or ensure your CI runners exist. This gets all required components in place, so you can create the project connection and avoid permission surprises when you configure webhooks and jobs next. Next, you connect the systems and define how builds start. Add the Gitlab personal access token as a secret text credential in Jenkins and name it clearly. Create a pipeline or multi-branch pipeline job using the GitLab repo URL and select that credential. Set branch specifier like main and point to Jenkins file. Enable the GitLab hook trigger or the GitLab trigger behavior in job settings so pushes start builds. Make sure webhooks and Jenkins CSRF protection settings align, because mismatches commonly block triggers. To finish, add a webhook in GitLab pointing to your Jenkins webhook endpoint for the job or the GitLab plugin endpoint, including any secret token if you set one. Push a change to the configured branch and watch Jenkins start a build. Then inspect the build console and GitLab webhook delivery for HTTP 200. If it doesn't trigger, enable plugin debug logs in Jenkins, verify the stored token has correct scopes, confirm firewall or reverse proxy, allows post, and check CSRF and webhook secret mismatches as the primary trouble.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.